Many organizations are establishing strong cloud strategies and have already moved most of their applications to the cloud. Until now, moving RightFax to the cloud was a challenge due to the phone line connections needed for a fax transmission. RightFax Connect and certain SIP trunks will work seamlessly in the cloud, so moving RightFax to the cloud is not only possible, but relatively straightforward. To install RightFax in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform will require a virtual server for the RightFax application and a SQL database for the RightFax metadata. If your RightFax environment is relatively small, I would say 8 channels or less, you can also use the built-in SQL Express for the fax metadata. So there is not a need for a full instance of SQL. As for the connection from the cloud to your local network, you can use standard web ports so your end users can run the RightFax web utility and the web-based fax printer for sending and receiving faxes. You can also use the standard SMTP protocol for sending and receiving faxes from email or from your MFP devices. RightFax can also deliver faxes to an on-premise network folder using Secure FTP. Secure FTP is built into RightFax, so no need for an additional FTP client or server. If you have or need more complex integrations, you can set up a VPN from your network to the cloud, so all features of the RightFax are available, including EMR integrations, the RightFax Thick Client, the RightFax Fax Printer, and the RightFax Enterprise Fax Manager for administration of the RightFax server.